What if I told you there's a natural remedy, often overlooked, that tackles cholesterol naturally? Meet okra, a vegetable commonly found in Creole and Southern cuisines, celebrated for its slimy texture but unknown for its cholesterol-lowering power. Rich in soluble fiber, okra becomes a digestive gel when consumed, binding cholesterol and preventing its absorption. Recent studies highlight its potential in reducing bad cholesterol, making it a heart-friendly addition to your diet. Integrating okra in smoothies, alongside lime and ginger, not only masks its slimy texture, but also enhances cardiovascular benefits. Embrace this intriguing vegetable and discover a simple, yet powerful way to support heart health through diet.